We're not just aiming to build an outstanding airport, we're striving to connect Yorkshire to the world. My name is Cathy Evans, I'm the Head of PMO for Leeds Bradford Airport. My role is responsible for the governance of all of the projects that are delivered throughout the airport.
I believe the whole list of projects stands at 116 at this time. We see up to 4.3 million passengers go through on an annual basis.
And our mission is to be at 7 million by 2030. Given the objective of centralising the way that the airport delivers its projects, that was done by so many different Excel spreadsheets, so many different versions of information. And what the exec and senior leadership team didn't have was an holistic view of where projects were, how they were being delivered.
As we look to grow to 7 million passengers per year, that will only be possible with significant investment in the infrastructure of the airport. The complexity of the project requires us to have visibility of on-time, accurate and complete project information. And Smartsheet is a fantastic tool that gives us that at the touch of a button.
So we partnered with Cheetah Transformation.
We were able to come up with a solution that would really help the airport be more productive, manage their projects better and faster to really enable them in achieving their goal.
With help from Cheetah Transformation, we've managed to move all our projects into Smartsheet within a couple of months.
We automated month-end reporting. It used to take us a week. Now it takes us 2 hours to do those reports. One of the benefits was pulling together a dashboard for closing a project. It generates how many risks and issues are still open, how much of the plan is still left to be complete, how much spend is still in the forecast, what change requests have been raised. Given it used to take us a week, we estimated around a saving of £27,000 last year, just on that one exercise alone. Smartsheet is helping us to manage not just the 7 million passengers we're expecting, but connecting Yorkshire to the world, one project at a time.